Good afternoon and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Today you join us in Brussels, Belgium. Now, I hate driving around in Brussels. Absolutely despise it. So, guess what kind of area we're in? Anywho, yeah. So, hit like, hit subscribe, do all that good stuff to help me out because I've came somewhere where I cannot stand driving. And well, this is what we're here for, folks. We are at Le Grand Plage for the Christmas market. But look at these buildings. Now, I do love the architecture and I do like Brussels in general. I just hate driving around it. Absolutely despise it. It is the capital of Europe after all. Now, at night time, there is a light and music show of all the buildings light up to the music and flash and do all that good stuff. But we won't be here for that. We are here, it's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so we won't be here for that one. Look at him showing off with his professional camera. And we've spotted Santa Claus. Now we're quite a walk from that market through all these back streets to where the rest of the Christmas market is going on. My favourite macaron. And of course it wouldn't be Belgium without waffles, would it? But they're a bit special, aren't they? And as is the normal, every time we go to a Christmas market it starts to rain. It's starting to rain. Hats, gloves and scarves.
A Savior is born. Christ the Savior is born.
Hello. Christmas here, he would have that instantly.
We've got the landing gear that comes out.
Wow.
No way.
People tell me today that I hold this thing very precariously, but I'm a professional, as you can see. Top closes. Go into flight mode to protect against the rain and space. You know. We've got the door that comes out, turrets that move, so everything mechanical, there are a bunch of gears inside. It's made as well to be like, we try to use actual gears, actual analog mechanical stuff instead of all this electricity stuff. This one does have a bit of electrical components, obviously, because of the lights.
Yeah.
Can't have lights with just
No.
wood. That's not
That's impossible.
you'd be burning them. So.
This looks like the food market. Got a photo up. And obviously that'll be where Santa Claus goes. Actually no, it's a simulator. So there's all these simulations, and one of the simulations is being Santa Claus. So all the Christmas markets are spread all over Brussels, but they are within walking distance of each other. But it's just to let you know, it's not all in one spot. This is another food market. So these are all food stalls down here. So there's actually two sides to the market, so this is all food down this side as well. And then there is a huge undercover ice rink. Wow. So please don't shoot me for the pronunciation of this, but this is Place de Bruquerie. So that's this area for the ice rink and this food market. The Christmas tree and the light show is Grand Place. So anyway, that will just about do it from Brussels Christmas Market. There may be other stuff, there possibly is, but we need to get back to the van. Why? Because it's 10 cents per minute to park up. So yeah, that's 50 cents per 5 minutes, €1 for 10 minutes. And we've been here for an hour and a half. So it's getting expensive to park up. Plus we need to get the heck out of this city because I hate driving in this city. Yeah. Do not forget to subscribe, hit like, share, comment, do all that good stuff. Now it's time to do your job.